You guys are silly. It's the Sohegan River. Wow. Hey, it's music and it's copyright free. So that works out. Can you imagine that though? Flying a little Cessna under a bridge like this? In between the trees, in between the all of those pine trees and the river and everything? He didn't fly through here, from what I understand. He flew through. Oh yeah. He flew over there between, you know, obviously by the river. The Sohegan River. This might be the last storm.
Daddy.
This season.
Yeah, I wanted to. Could I comment hi, Daddy, in the comment section?
Yeah, you can. Videos? Obviously, yeah, that's nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
You can comment whatever you want. Just don't have it be inappropriate
hi,
or rude. And definitely.
I watch all your videos.
And definitely don't. If you see somebody who's a troll, who's just being rude, and there's tons of them, don't engage them. That's what they feed off of. There's always somebody that's like, this video sucks.
Yeah, I've in every single Unspeakable video I see, there's always this exact guy, I forget his name, but he's always like, Unspeakable, you suck.
Yeah, there's some people they get enjoyment out of just being rude and trying to break people down.
I pretend I don't read that comment, and I'm just like, Unspeakable, you're the best YouTuber ever, yeah.
Oh my goodness, you're funny.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be either extreme. You shouldn't be a complete blind fan of somebody just regardless of what they publish for content. But there's also no reason to be rude and just abrasive.
He has fun videos. Daddy, he made a giant Hot Wheels ramp all around his entire house.
A giant what?
A giant Hot Wheels ramp. And now, remember, he has basically, it's not a mansion, but it's a big house. It's like someone who's wealthy, like would own that house. It's not
He's a YouTube millionaire.
It's not a mansion, but he has a giant house, and he made a Hot Wheels track all everywhere.
That sounds like fun.
His office,
I don't think it exists anymore, but there used to be a beautiful little museum down in Plymouth, Massachusetts, or very close to Plymouth. It might have been, it doesn't matter, it was somewhere in that area.
Get a lot of subscribers.
Well, you need to come up with something unique, Amelia. The problem is that you need something unique.
I make animations.
Well, that's a lot of work, but...
I'm going to be someone to review my game. Yeah.
It's a lot of work. It's not easy to make an animation. Like stop animation, is that what you're describing?
No, like an animation on a computer, like to make I'll like get characters. I really hope if I have to, I will, which you probably don't, but if I have to, I will buy really good FNAF character for my animations. FNAF characters.
I don't think you should be doing with FNAF characters because you're not going to be able to. They can flag your videos.
Daddy,
and
people like the FNAF animation.
Okay, I don't know. Sure, I would do my own thing. I'm telling you. If the dude who does Simon's Cat just decided to copy Garfield, then we wouldn't have Simon's Cat, right?
Yeah.
If Bugs Bunny just became, it's kind of like Mickey Mouse, but he has bunny ears, then it wouldn't be a thing. Somebody's living in there?
Yeah. Look at this. It's a school bus.
There is, yeah, one of them is a school bus. Hey, this is New Hampshire. Live free or die. That place is open. What is going on in there? Oh, it's probably... Oh, yeah. Sorry. Probably gravel pits, right? Sand and gravel. I'm assuming. Drive past Blanchard's. What else is over here? There's something else interesting. Wilton and Everett Forest. I've never gone for hikes out here. Maybe there's something cool out here. Just in general, there's places all over the place in Wilton. We have gone on a few, actually. I shouldn't say we've never. There's a few spots that we have gone. Like that abandoned paper mill. Remember we were jumping around on the rocks? Okay, I'm going to just lower the window for a second, girls. It's got its emblem still. One time we were driving Big Red over here, and as soon as we pulled out from the stop sign, the cop pulled us over and said that he claimed Ross did a California roll, which I don't think a California, like, you know, that we didn't come to a complete stop, which I don't think was even, I don't know if it was true.
Daddy,
Maybe.
can I yell sub to my channel?
What's your channel?
Fun Time Freddy Plays. Sub to my channel. I have 0 subs. Please.
What's the exact spelling of your username? Or your channel name?
FUNTIMEDDYPLAY. In all caps. Because I'm crazy.
Okay. I don't think that should
But
matter.
I forgot the S. Fun Time Freddy
Oh,
Plays.
plays. So not place, as in...
No.
Okay, plays. Yeah, that makes sense. I thought I heard place, and then when you spelled out play, I was like, okay. Alright, that's the end of that. We should go to this hot dog stand over here sometime.
Sub to
I like hot
Fun Time
dogs.
Freddy Plays. Ooh.
What's
I
it called
make
again?
funny animations. Well, I will.
The Double D Dogs.
Double D dogs.
I double dog dare you.